Hello everybody and welcome back. A really short video because yeah, I don't think this is going to run for a long time. The question is, can you run a diesel heater of a car starter power pack? So this here is a ultimate speed car, well, battery replacement thing. So if your car's battery is dead, you can use this thing to start your car. But it's also a power bank, and it has a pretty amazing 8 amps on the 12 volt side. So, well, I just hooked it up to my diesel heater, and yeah, there it is, nicely chugging away. And since this is the type of diesel heater that at very low power will go below 10 watts, this actually runs pretty well. We tried it outside and it actually ran for over an hour. The only problem is that while you're trying to get it to run, well, while it's starting up, it will consume almost half of the battery. But if it's fully charged, then yeah, it works. So for those of you who don't know this unit, this is a 5 kilowatts diesel heater from Kesser. It is a newer make, and they consume a lot less power during startup. In fact, they use a lot less power, period. Well, like I said, this one is from Kesser. I got it last year. And I've been using this one and another one that I got a lot, and they are very nice, especially since they have such a low power consumption. You can basically identify these because according to the manual they don't have a high altitude mode. So although the little controller here looks just like all the other ones, it has less functionality. But apart from that, once it's running, these things in a low power mode go down to like 10 to 8 watts, and I mean, that is super interesting. So the little jump box is called Ultimate Speed. I think they were on sale from Lidl here in Germany. It claims to have 3000 milliamp hours at 12 volts with a max amps of 8. So the 8 amps are pretty much exactly what you need to get the diesel heater started, and the 3000 milliamp hours in very low consumption mode will get you like about maybe 2 hours. The only thing that you need to know is you can only use it to start the diesel heater once. After that, it just won't do it. Nice tidbit, you can also charge these via solar. So if you are in a pickle and you really need something really simple to get, I don't know, near a cabin or an RV up to temperature, you can actually use a jump box. The only thing that you really need is it needs to have the fitting power connector, which is a cigarette lighter bud in this case. As you can see, the battery is holding at 2 out of 4, which means it basically consumed about half of what's in there. These things are wildly inaccurate, but from what we've tried to do so far, we were able to get across the 2 hour mark, and then we shut it off because we didn't want to damage the diesel heater when it turns off without being properly powered down. So this is the jump box in question. It's called Ultimate Speed. Like I said, it was sold by Lidl. I think it was 50 euros, so really cheap. Apparently it's got 12 amp hours. Well, it's got a 12 amp hour LiPo inside. It has a power bank, 2 USB A connections with 1 amp and 2 amps, and 1 output for 12 volt 8 amps, and that is what's working fine. It comes with an adapter to a cigarette lighter. It has a charge cable, and it comes with this adapter to connect it to your battery. And actually I've started cars with this thing, so it's not all bad. I like the size. Sometimes I wish it was a little bit larger and it had more capacity, because I don't think that it's going to start my truck. But for smaller cars and maybe giving the cars a little bit of charge up time, it works fine. And you can charge this with a 5 volt 10 watts solar panel, and it will keep it ready to go. So it's a little bit of an unusual use for the unit, but apparently it doesn't mind. It works for me, and that's good enough for me. So, just in case you ever find yourself in the situation that you need something warm, or you need an area heated up quickly and you have nothing more than a jump box, then yeah, that's the way to go. The jump box will happily power the diesel heater as long as you have the correct connections. And yeah, I think that is a really good thing. Yeah, bye.